Hello.
Hello.
Where are we? Blizzard Beach.
Typhoon Laguna.
Oh no, there's a big ski slope up there, mate.
The Alps.
The Alps. Right, so what do you want to do? You want to do Lazy River first? Jane wants to do Lazy River first. So we're going to go and do the Lazy River. This is the first time Sophie's been to Blizzard Beach. She's not been before. It was shut the last time. Us. And you too as well, but it's the first time you've been in Disney, so I think it's a given. This will be my second time, because I came when I was younger, about 20 years ago. All those years ago. Yes, we are just going to be exploring the area and enjoy ourselves. So it's all new for everybody else. Just chilling in the Lazy River at Blizzard Beach. I think they're over there. What? You look comfy.
Right, so the guys have gone on a tube ride. Again, I'm not, because I have a injured shoulder, so I'm camera boy. So I'm just waiting for the guys and girls to be done on this. I'll show you them coming down, and we'll go from there. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna see if they're coming out. It shouldn't be too much longer. Know which one they're coming out of. There's Kieran, there's Sophie, and Sally is... Sally? And there's Sally. Okay guys, you saw them come out, not one of them fell off. Bit boring, sorry about that, I'll try again next time. Kieran?
That was fun.
I couldn't see on it, not because I don't have my glasses on. But
Everyone good? Everyone alive?
So you had the tube then, didn't you?
Yeah.
Mine were all open, so but there's certain points where it's got like more water like flooding out. So it like picks your raft up and shoots you around corners.
Mine was just quite gentle.
Yours?
Dark. Yeah.
So it was just mine that were open. I didn't have any tunnels. But it was just certain points I was just like when you go around the corners.
Would you recommend the ride?
I would.
I said maybe.
I mean, it was very dark.
2 out of 3. Even Meatloaf said 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Oh, okay, set off late. So that one we just did, that we just showed, the, what was it called?
Toboggan
races.
races.
We thought it was a bit dodgy because when you first get on, hands on your knees, no, hands and knees,
On your hands and knees.
And like good girls and good boys.
Yes, that's what he said. Because he said to me, he goes, right, put your back down, hands and knees, like a good boy. And I'm like, okay.
And they just stood over us while we're in all four, saying good girl, good boy.
Yeah.
So Kay wants to do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. You plunge into the water. So it might only be me on this one.
Is that you gonna go?
No.
Okay, so coming down, that in a minute. Again, obviously I'm not, but you know, one of them things. So there should be near enough the top. Looks like Sally and Sophie is coming down first. Sally down this one, Sophie down the other one, because Kieran's still up there. So this should be Sally and Sophie. Here's Sally. And Sophie went right over there. 682, 720. You won! You won 682 to 702.
Oh, yay. Where did I take this?
There. Here comes Kieran. Here comes Kieran. What was that?
Oh, we got stuck.
Yeah, it trapped my calf underneath.
Say it louder, say it louder.
We've been on the Runoff Rapids.
Yeah.
Is that the one that we went on? Runoff Rapids, which is like a tube, a single tube thing.
Me, you and Sally went on that
Which,
one.
yeah, there were 3 of us. Shane sat that one out. Then we went on the toboggan races.
All of us.
All of us. And then me and Shane went back onto the toboggan races. And then after that I went on to the other toboggan, which is the slalom one, so that was fun. That was just me though. And then after that we then went on double dipper. Double dipper. Oh! Okay. So I am actually thinking of maybe doing that, but I don't know yet.
Yeah, come on, Kieran, grab a handle. Yeah. Ready, and scream.
Have I even got that recording? I don't even know.
Not tasty good!
Is it cold, mate?
Shut up then!
No, is that just me?
No, that's good, that's good, that's good!
Why am I flying up the edges?
Why what?
Why am I flying up the edges like that? I'm almost coming out of the camping.
This isn't being recorded, this has been bad. Because cameras been flying everywhere.
Wow, that's going so high. How high?
Ready? No! I'm backwards! Bad boy!
Right, well, I don't even know where we left off.
Before Blizzard Beach.
So we've been to Blizzard Beach today. We've covered everything that we wanted to do at Blizzard Beach. That would have been done on the GoPro, I think. Everything we've done.
Yes.
We went back to the room, we chilled out for a little bit, dropped stuff off. So went to Boardwalk. I got a Italian sub from Boardwalk Deli. I also got a margarita from Margarita Joe's. Very strong, very nice. To EPCOT. So the plan for EPCOT tonight really was to just do Guardians, but some people obviously needed some food and things like that as well. So Sophie got a poke bowl and Sally got a panna cotta because she wanted to try it. And then because we finished the passport, we got our sweet treat, which was a plant-based Dole Whip, which was vanilla and I think it was pineapple, but when I read online it mentioned like key lime, but it didn't taste like key lime because it didn't taste limey.
I don't know, I got sour, but I thought that was just pineapple.
I thought it was pineapple. I thought it was just a citrus fruit pineapple. No, not citrus, but
Yeah,
fruit pineapple. So then we had a return time for Guardians for 8:30, so we've just done that and we finally got September. So as much as Sophie doesn't like me doing it, we have got 4 out of 6 now. All we need now is Tears for Fears, Everyone Wants to Rule the World, and Conga. We've done all the others, so it just means we're going to have to do another trip. I'm just saying it. As much as this one doesn't like it, but we're going to have to look at doing it. Maybe for a week. I don't know. Maybe. So that is us done. We're just going to get a couple of photos around the area, and then we're going to be heading back to the resort. We're going to go to the Skyliner. The fireworks have just finished, I think, at EPCOT behind us. So we're going to try and get some photos and then go for the Skyliner. It's going to be busy, and then we've got plans for Islands of Adventure tomorrow, with also the Magic Kingdom. So that's the plan.
September, baby!
Good night, guys.
Peace!